Hi everyone, and welcome back to the virtual classroom where we look, listen and learn together. I found something on a walk and this is a mushroom, or part of the fungi family. Has some gill-like structures underneath its umbrella shaped cup, and it's sort of quite slimy and spongy, bumpy, a bit silky too. And it has a stalk there, but it doesn't have any roots because it's not a plant, and it doesn't spread seeds like a plant does. It has tiny spores that sometimes they spread, and it feeds off rotting leaves or soil or wood. And that's how it gets its nutrients. It often helps plants to grow as well by moving nutrients their way too. I thought I might do some collage of mushroom shaped pictures, and I've done some here. I painted some first and then I've collaged a couple here. I thought maybe I could do some more collage. I'm going to turn my page, and I have some collage paper here that I created, and you can make your own collage paper at home. All you need to do is make some patterns on a page, and then you can let it dry and cut it out. I'm going to cut a strip of this paper. There we are. Then you can see the patterns there that I'm going to use for these mushrooms. Now I'm going to draw that umbrella-like shape. So I've turned it over so then you don't see the pencil. There's one. You can draw a few different shapes. Maybe that tall one. Maybe a curved, wavy line for that mushroom there. Have some scissors. Might need some help to cut out, but that's okay. You can ask for some help. And then we follow these lines around, these umbrella type lines. And it's okay if you don't follow them exactly, because we're going to turn them over so that we see the other patterned side of our mushroom. And mushrooms are not perfectly shaped. They're very organic and earthy, so don't worry what type of shape you create, that's okay. We're just imagining these mushrooms are growing in our forest. Here we go, we have 3 mushrooms. There's 1, 2, and 3. I'm going to glue these mushrooms down on my page. Looks like that paint left some marks when I was gluing it. First put glue on this one. Carefully put some glue on. Just be slow as you put the glue on so it doesn't go everywhere. 1, here we go. 2 mushrooms, but I think there was one more, wasn't there? Yes, 3. You can see the pattern of my collage paper has come out. 3 beautiful mushrooms, but they need a stalk, don't they? There we go. 1 stalk, and this might be 2 stalks. And I might do this one a very thin stalk there. And then you can actually either colour in some of the white that's left to make other patterns on your mushrooms. Colour them in, make them different patterns, maybe even a fluoro colour. There. And these mushrooms were spotted under some pine trees and some oak trees as well, maybe. You can think of what environment they would be growing in. Under trees is often a place because there's lots of leaf litter, and that soil is often very, very healthy. There we go. Very interesting colours on these mushrooms, don't you think? Now I could do the stalk, and I might even paint the stalk a colour for this one. Yeah, lots of different methods of art making here. Visual language. There we go. That's a nice coloured stem, do you think? This one might be a few different colours on it. Different coloured stem this one goes. And down that one goes. 3 mushrooms there. And you might write up the top the word mushroom. M-U-S-H-R-O-O-M-S. Mushrooms. Maybe put some of those gills underneath as well, under your mushrooms. Can you do some collage mushrooms at home with maybe some nice paper that you create, that you paint? Don't forget to let it dry, otherwise it can get quite messy. Mushrooms. You could make a little mushroom forest of your own. I hope you have fun cutting out some mushroom-shaped pictures, sticking them down in your book. I'll see you next time. Bye.